Good evening YouTube and good evening car people. Seanie.T here, and I had a few hours of killjoy today. So I've decided to clean my engine bay. Now, having a quick look across YouTube, there's one guy who really stands out, and that's that Chrisfix. Now some of his engine bays when he's finished are absolutely amazing. See this? Chrisfix, this dude. I thought, I'm going to give it a go. So I've pulled on the work car, I've had a look under the bonnet, looks a bit disgusting, so I thought, right, we'll crack on and give it a go. So you can follow it step by step to this, and I would vlog it and let people know the before and afters and how it all went, and if it really is as good as you see on the TV. But I looked at it by 14 million people, I reckon it is pretty good. So there'll be plenty of time lapses in this because you don't want to hear me waffling on or out like that, so there'll be a bit of music for you, and just watch to see how it goes. Weather's looking a bit dodgy, so might have to do it over tonight and tomorrow because it's already like 6:30 guys, so we'll see how far we get, and I get it edited straight away and posted for you. I'm having to look off my phone to check the YouTube clips because my computer's busy rendering the last video that I'm done because it takes ages. Right, let's say go. See you later guys.
Chrisfix here, and today I'm going to show you how to super clean your engine bay. Super clean, then you'll be able to eat off of it.
While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. skin. Temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
So guys, how's it going? I've just been following his Chrisfix's engine cleaning bay routine step by step. I've just missed a step on camera for you, and I'll just go through it. I've done what he said. I've covered all the plastics over after brushing everything off dryly and blowing it all off, and disconnecting the battery as well before, and checked everything, all the caps, oil, everything, make sure all the tops are up. Now I've just done what he said, covered the engine bay with plastic thin liners and to soak the hood and the surrounding bits, or bonnet as we call it, and seems to be doing quite a good job. It's not getting any water into any of the really bad places, so we'll carry on step by step. So we'll put it back to the music.
Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating wine. Lingering touch, these soft words whispered in the dark. Set my heart on fire.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
car again, YouTube. We've just finished doing Chrisfix's little fix on the cleaning section on the engine bay. Mine's come out reasonably well. It's took me around 2 hours, like it says. I've been quite lucky. A lot of the BMWs luckily have a lot of plastic in, so it's pretty easy to get around the engine block itself. Really did like his techniques. I've done a few slight variations myself because I felt a little bit braver with his technique. It seemed to be keeping the engine out of the water out of the engine quite well, so I went in with a wet sponge with plenty of soap on around the edges to get in some of it, and it seemed to do the job. So I'll give you a quick once over, show you what we've done to give you a good close up, and then we'll get it all edited up and give him a tag. He's brilliant. See what he says. Thank you. Evening YouTube and evening car people. This is Seanie.T here, and we've... Stop looking at the camera. I'm not looking at the camera.
I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show me ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. You say he been killing.